So, as the title might suggest, we have a few updates on AI here. First of all, yes, I have the Microsoft extension. What are you gonna do about it?
No! My name's not Rick!
Second of all, the update. Microsoft will no longer auto-install the Copilot app on your Windows 11 machine. Microsoft has decided to pause a recent controversial change to Windows 11. The company has temporarily stopped automatic installation of the Copilot app on devices that have Microsoft desktop apps. This is not only huge, but one of the main reasons Microsoft is being called Microsoft is because they push AI fucking Copilot everywhere. So this is huge. This is amazing news. Well, anyway, moving on. Microsoft quietly scraps plans to bring Copilot to notification and settings on Windows 11 as it moves to reduce AI bloat across the US. I wonder why they would try to reduce AI bloat. It's not like Windows users have been wanting this for months and even made up a fucking term for them. Anyways, I'll link the article below, but this is pretty much all you need to know about it. And for our last update today, going from Microsoft to the removal of Sora AI.
What? So you finally came to your senses.
Let's fucking go! We're saying goodbye to the Sora app. To everyone who created with Sora, shared it, and built communities around it, thank you. What you made with Sora mattered, and we know this news is very disappointing. It sure is.
Oh God, the pain!
We'll share more soon, including timelines for the app and API details on preserving your work. The Sora team. Yeah, baby! What can I say? This is great news! This is amazing! Yes! Anyway, that was the quick little update for today. Let me know what you think. Are you as excited as I am? Is the future looking bright? Will this AI bubble finally fucking burst? I sure fucking hope so. Anyway, bye.